Okay guys, the Daily came out looking so good.
Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in to watch this video. So I'm starting here by making daibali. I use half cup moong dal and 1 teaspoon of ajwan seed. So I've crushed that. This is what I'm putting here, and this is what I'm putting now. But I firstly came with 1 cup of chana flour. Then I came with a teaspoon of turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, and a little of chili flakes. Yes, then came with my water, mix. So guys, I did get an idea since this is my first time making a daily. Got watch few videos. People are using different spices, but with my own knowledge, I also decided to use whatever I thought was gonna make the daily taste good. Then I came with a half teaspoon of baking powder and a tablespoon of oil. Then I set it aside. I went to do burger bread. I don't think it's burger buns, but it's burger bread. Yes, let's do this together. I will write down for you the recipe because I want you guys must just enjoy the nature sounds as I was making this outside. Then I left my dough outside to rise. for an hour. Yeah, it was an hour or more, I'm not sure, but it's usually not more than an hour, 30 minutes. It was nice and hot outside, so I'm sure by the hour, 45 minutes, it was already risen. But I do like to leave it for longer just to be sure that, I get the full benefit of it rising. So now we are coming to fry this, guys. I think what I did with this, I think the consistency is okay. I'm not sure. I think maybe slightly I put more water. I'm not sure also. But the taste was absolutely amazing. The only thing, yeah, I do think this didn't come out as I want them to be. They're supposed to be round, like just like fat cook, but your mini fat cooks. So maybe it's the consistency that was a bit waterish. So if you want to try like how I made it, I'm sharing this especially for the sisters that are actually married to Pakistanis, because I feel like when you see your own doing it and then you kind of like, okay, it's easy. It's actually easy. It's actually easy. Yeah, but if you don't know it and you hear people saying daybali, you thinking it's hard. It's actually very easy. Yeah, yeah. So maybe the consistency can be like harder. That it mustn't be as waterish as I did. Yeah, but it was absolutely delicious. And another thing that you can correct with what I didn't do nice with this recipe is that you can put more yogurt, more day. Day is yogurt. You can put it more day, make it more waterish, not as thick as I made. You're gonna see as I make it later on in the video that it just needed more yogurt, but otherwise the taste, everything how I made it, it was perfect. So I was told it's similar like the street one in Pakistan. So if something tastes like the street food, then it's good. Yeah. So now I came with water, lukewarm water, and salt, teaspoon of salt. Then you put them inside. You let them sit for like 10 minutes. I think I left them for a longer time, so that's why when I was squeezing the water out, they like fall apart. So do leave them for shorter time. Then you tightly squeeze them to take it out the water. Then you can start layering them in your whatever bowl, whatever way you're going to be setting it. Yeah, so as you can see, they are cracking, but it's not a problem if ever this were to happen if you were doing it. But yeah, as I said earlier on, that I kind of like left it for too long as I went outside to finish with the baker bread. So yeah, I think I did take about maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, these our gigantic buns. They are nice and soft, if you can see. But in honestly, I think I really underestimated how big they were gonna be. I wanted them big, but I think I made them very big. But yeah, oh my gosh, they are soft, as you can see. They are very soft. Now I'm coming with samosa bar. I'm just gonna cut small pieces. It doesn't matter how you cut them, and then we fry like if ever like you frying your samosas. We're frying it up until it's nice and crispy. This now will just give that extra nice taste to your daibali. So I am gonna be putting it on top. So now here I didn't really measure, guys, just did just like that. The only thing here I would advise you to do, as I said earlier on, is that you put a little bit more milk to make this more of like a watery consistency than what I did. So I put plain yogurt, I put cream, and I put milk. More of milk, less of cream. You don't want it too creamy. And I came with 1 teaspoon of salt and then some sugar, and also little sugar, maybe about tablespoon. Yeah, maybe about tablespoon of sugar. Yeah, and then obviously you mix it nicely together. Yeah, and then after that we're gonna pour it over our daily thingy. I don't know what's the name of the small round things. So there is a name though for it in Urdu. It's just, yeah, it's just not in my mind. Yeah, so now I'm just going to pour over, guys. So the runny, the better. Yeah, it must go through all over those whatever it is. Yeah. And now I came with my chaat masala that I'm going to just put a little bit on top. Then after that it will be imli sauce that is homemade. If you want a recipe, yeah, I'm still gonna show on Aya's cooking. Yeah, but yeah, you can also go to the second video during Ramadan, second video when Ramadan started. Yeah, then this on the side, it's my onion, red onion, tomatoes, and green chili that I put a little bit of lemon with salt, and I mix it and I put it on top. And I am gonna come with that fried samosa bar. Yeah, guys.
Okay guys, the Daily came out looking so good. Now I can't wait to dig in and taste if it tastes as good as it looks. Do you think I must put pomegranate?
I'm just gonna roll it.
Okay. you move that side. I have to bite into this big thing. Huh? Yeah, I have to bite into this big thing. Big bag of.
It is at McDonald's.
You lie. You lying.
الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين ولا بعد الله الصالحين أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما